Hey friends, and welcome back to Blanket Safe. My name's Laura and I am the owner and founder of Blanket Safe Products. Today we're going to be answering one of the most popular questions we get asked. All right, let's get started. So one of the biggest questions we get asked is what are our top selling products? So I've calculated the results from what our retailers typically purchase from us, as well as what you customers are currently purchasing from us online at blanketsafe.com. So here are the results. Number one is our French lavender. If you're looking for a light florally scent, French lavender is your wash. Next, which is a little bit of a surprise to me, kind of, but not really, is our free and clear. If you're somebody that doesn't want any dyes or any scents in your washes, the free and clear is perfect. You can use it for your own washing, you can use it for your horse washing, which is created for, but is the perfect all-around wash without getting rid of any of the awesome cleaning power. And lastly is our Zesty Lemon. This light, lemony, fresh scent is perfect for spring and summer. So if you are looking, or if you like lemon scented things, I love this lemon. It's, in my mind, just perfect. So those are our top 3 best sellers. Now all of these washes come in the 16-ounce size, as well as a 32-ounce and an 8-ounce concentrate, which makes a 32-ounce wash. What's great about the mix it yourself sets, which are the 8-ounce concentrate and the 32-ounce empty bottle, is that you get discounted shipping. You get the same great wash, you add your own water to it, but you get discounted shipping. So head over to blanketsafe.com, check out all of our wash options, see what works best for you, and let us know. If you have questions, comment down below, or you can find us on social media platforms at Blanket Safe. Otherwise, we hope you have a wonderful ride. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we look forward to seeing your before and after soon. Thanks, guys.